Does your backyard still look like winter never left? Let's change that on a budget and with a big family working together. If you're looking for a real-life inspiration to turn your outdoor space from blah to barbecue ready, you're in the right place. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Francine, a mom of 5 living abroad, and today we're diving into another weekend project. It's time for a post-winter backyard transformation, and I can't wait to bring you along for this process. If you're new here, we moved to Canada last June. On this channel, I share what it's really like to settle into a new country with a big family, from everywhere routines to bigger life changes. Stick around to see the full before and after, and let me know in the comments if you're also working on your backyard this season. Let's get started. So let's talk about the backyard. After months of snow and cold, our outdoor space is in desperate need of some love. The plan for this weekend is to build a patio love seat, add 2 more seating pieces, set up the table, and get out gazebo ready with the mosquito net, just in time for summer barbecues and relaxing family evening outdoors. I have to be honest, so the love seat was much more challenging than expected.
Done. Hello, Dana. Is it done?
But thankfully, my son was totally up to the task. He stepped in, figured things out, and helped me get it all together.
Thank you, Miss.
We didn't quite manage to finish everything in one day though. It turned out more of a 2-day project. The next morning, I woke up early to keep things moving. I started by sweeping out the gazebo floor, then lay down the outdoor rug to bring some comfort and color back into the space. After that, I got to work putting up the mosquito netting around the gazebo. And let's be honest, summer in Ottawa comes with a lot of insects, especially mosquitoes. So having a gazebo net is almost essential if you want to enjoy your outdoor space in peace. It's truly the key to sitting outside without being bitten. It's all coming together slowly but surely. By the end of the day, we'll have a fresh, cozy backyard that's ready for summer fun, and honestly, it already feels like such a transformation. It may have taken 2 days, a little sweat, and a lot of teamwork, but now we've got a space we can actually enjoy all summer long. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-life family living, DIYs, and life abroad. Share your own backyard plans or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're making your space feel like home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.